Guys, I got a surprise I want to show you. Are you ready? Okay, here we go. 3, 2, 1. What do you think of that? We kept this speedometer, or not the speedometer, what the hell am I talking about? The ignition's in the same place. Now, when I made this, I had to round out for my risers. Something like this won't work without risers because the handlebar will rest right on top of the plate. So if you make something like this, you have to put risers in there. You have to have risers on it. Otherwise, because that's right where the handlebar goes, so that'll rest on top of that. So you have to have a riser in order to make a bracket like I just did out of 3/16" aluminum. And then I had to make 2 holes for my turn signal and for my neutral light. And we're going to put something here. I will put something there. I can always put like maybe either a clock or a battery reader for the DC. That's what I'd like to put there. If I can find a small enough gauge that'll fit in here, I'll drill a hole and we'll put a DC gauge in there. And that's about it, guys. It's nice and sturdy. It's actually real nice. And my handlebars don't hit the tank anymore, as you see. It gives me a better riding position. My mirror's up higher. The speedometer is... What I had to do in order to bend this piece of aluminum, I had to heat it up until it was orange, and then I bent it with a real big-ass monkey wrench. I put it on my vise over there, and so look at all the aluminum shavings from this. See, I used a real big monkey wrench for lever. We're going to put our cover back on. And there you have it. Instead of buying one, they want, what, $175 for a bracket and handlebars. You can buy a plate like this on eBay for $10 or $12. And drill 2 holes here, 2 holes here, 2 holes here. Make the thing like a T. Matter of fact, I think I still have the template laying around here somewhere. If you guys want the template, somewhere around here, I'll find the template. So it should still be around somewhere. Okay, guys. Now, I'm going to still diamond cut all these edges, and I think I'm going to engrave this too. The reason why I didn't do it is my Dremel tool died on me. As soon as I plugged the Dremel tool in, I was ready to start engraving. It died on me. So, and it's a brand new Dremel tool. It's only like 5 months old. Dremel 4000. And right here it is. Died on me. It's 5 months old. So we're going to send that back to the factory. And I don't know, I might buy another one. Meanwhile, I might not.